Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bark's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today, I've got this little roaster oven, a tabletop, that I'll be using. And I've got some beef short ribs, you know, they flanked. You know, that's the way they come, you know, and I tell you what, they're awesome, awesome, awesome. So, hey, join me as we cook them. And I'm going to use a little bit basting sauce, barbecue basting sauce in there, because that goes so good on that meat when it's cooked. And it'll take about 3 or 4 hours because I want it tender, tender, tender. Gotta be tender. Anyway, I'll talk with you later. Let's get the video rolling, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Hot dang. As you can see right here, I've got my onions all sliced up. And hey, I'm gonna line the bottom with them, the bottom of the pan. Talk about give some flavor. And this beef is cooking. Oh. Especially if you use pork short ribs or pork baby backs sliced individually. It's excellent, excellent, excellent. Don't be shy with those onions. Them onions are going to end up melting. As you notice, I didn't put any kind of oil or any liquid at all in this pan. And this is the insert from my roaster oven. Once I get everything taken care of and the meat seasoned, put it in the fridge for about maybe an hour before I start cooking it. All right, let me see where we're at now. And I'm gonna move this on the side. And we'll season up the meat. And I'm not using anything real crazy. Salt it real good, and that'll be on both sides. Garlic powder, again on both sides. Salt. Put my meat on top. Hey, that's gonna be it, baby. Let me tell you what, that's gonna be it. We'll put that in the fridge, like I said, for about an hour. It's set at 350 degrees. And I'm going to turn this rascal on right now, 350. And I'm going to let her set about 4 hours. I'm going to cover it up. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and be showing you what it looks like. Hey, and it's all good. Hey, look. Closing her up. All them onions are gonna start melting, and the flavor's gonna start coming out terrifically, like you won't even imagine. The house is gonna smell awesome later. Yeah, this has been on about 2 hours, and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna remove the onions. Gotta remove the onions. Take the onions out. But I'm gonna just leave it just like that. It's looking good. I hate to make all that noise with that metal spoon, but that's the way it is sometimes. And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take that meat out so I can cut it. And then we'll put it right back in there. Lots of racket here. Got a few more onions in there. They like to hide under the meat, you know what I mean? Us Cajuns, we love to bang the pot with the old metal spoon. So don't give me any hell about it, please. 'Cause I know how some folks are. All right. Looking pretty good, huh? I've got some basting sauce I'm gonna put on there, barbecue basting sauce. And this is gonna be good, you know. Take that little bone out, you can eat it on a sandwich or just whatever. And now, I'm gonna flip her over. Look at that. Turn, baby, turn. Got a little bit fat on there. See how the bone is pulling away from the meat? By the time I'm finished, this should be tender, 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 tender. It's already. All right. It's all looking good right now. Let me get on in there and see what I've got. It's smelling good. Let me tell you, it smells so good. I don't think I'm gonna I put some basting sauce on here, barbecue basting sauce. And I tell you what, it's tender, tender. I think I'm going to stop right here because I really want just the flavor. That's what I'm looking for, the flavor. I might even pull the bones out and put them on a po' boy bun or on a hamburger bun. My God. Anyway, hey, this Chef Bork, I'm cutting this baby off. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, talk with you later, Chef. Take it easy. Aye, oh yeah, baby, hot dang.
Troppo mogliese, troppo mogliese.
Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh yeah.